Well, the latest Commerce Department figure shows the U.S. trade deficit is continuing to grow, but less than expected, due in part to increased U.S. exports. A weak U.S. dollar and growing economies overseas are making U.S. goods quite the bargain, and nowhere more than in China.
Well, comprising 1/5 of the world's population, China is a country as diverse as it is large, from rich to poor, from ancient to modern. China is a land of contrast.
China is both a danger and an opportunity.
Futurist Ed Barlow.
The danger is they are challenging that sector of our economy, being manufacturing, that was a middle-class income generator for a lot of Americans. On the other side of the ledger, they are a market. I mean, there are 1.3 billion people over there right now, on their way to 1.5.
To put that into perspective, consider this. In the United States, we have 9 urban centers with populations of more than 1 million people. But in China, there are 174, all with a rapidly growing middle class.
If you doubt how global the economy is, just go to Walmart and look where those products are all made. The question is, and the challenge is, to what extent are Oklahomans going to be successful competitors themselves in the world market?
A challenge Oklahoma's business sector is starting to make inroads in. Barry Clark is the Director of Global Business Services at Oklahoma's Department of Commerce and says aerospace exports from the Sooner State have now topped $500 million, and China could soon be our #1 market.
China is a growing market with industry projections that 27,000 new airplanes will need to be on the market in the next 18 to 20 years.
Steve Glime is with American Airlines Maintenance and Repair Operations in Tulsa.
You know, the Asian market is not only important for American Airlines, but a lot of aerospace companies here in the United States. For us, we're already working with several Chinese companies bringing their component work here to American in Tulsa, digital flight data displays and other avionics components. But their market is growing rapidly, and this is a great time and a great opportunity for us to get in there because there may not be other vendors and MROs that can provide the services that we can.
Oklahoma ranks among the top 6 global hubs for airplane maintenance and repair, and while an ocean away, still has the ability to meet Asia's needs.
Even though they would have to ship their parts here to the United States, we can still provide great services, great pricing, and again, an opportunity that they may not be able to find locally.
Making China not just a huge competitor, but a huge customer for years to come.
The key for our future success is that we retain that edge, that we continue to be the most imaginative, the most creative, the most adaptable people in the world.